Okay. Now the name of the show is called Can You Flip It? Basically, this is an eating competition. If you can flip, you eat. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Denzel and AL Media House presents a brand new and exciting show. All the way from University of Limpopo, Gate 2, Malani, location, Interstate, Armenia. This competition is not for the weak, even if you can try it for 7 days. Now in this competition, we are looking for eaters, the master digesters, the ministers of the esophagus, the presidents of the chew and swallow, the CEOs of the bill. So we are here at Gate 2, Malane. We are going to ask people what do they want to eat. And if they flip, they get to eat. You get it? Good. Now, round 1. Now we have our first competitor. Let us go and see who he is and I explain to him how the game works. See the brother? Sharp. Go and I'm I know flop of brother. So when a competitor nama to Maya, give me it over there so. The little lich. Sancho on the flip so. I'm sorry. Elega Melela. Wana legilo Melela. Elega Melela. Waja. Mara, umuntu wakamrawa waga khona go flipa o saja nambile wena o ya kamrawa ga line, you go to the back of the line when we short get I know flop bra. Now guys, this is how it's going to work. We are going to have 8 people. The first 4 people to flip the bottle will go to the second round. Then after that, on the second round, the 2 people that will flip the bottle on the second round will go to the third and final round. Do you get it? Let's go. I don't try to walk at home. If you manage to flip, waja, wabobeti, a flipper, waja. Do you understand? Ari. Flipper one. Ah, no palage. Yagamra. What are you moving? A flipper, wara. Ari yo raka. Raka mo mafo. Ah, Raka mo ya ko ra. E tla bula. Well, flip. Aisa. Unyaka unele balancing ala. Unele technique. Wala almost Arjunta. Can tell poets. Ultimate sha. Ukalawan. Ari again. I won almost. Arjunta. So, l'autre chose à la table, Dieu les autres là-bas, quel we are getting arrivé. Almost. Arrivé. Déjà chiti. Arrivé. Hoashi, quoi t'as chiti arrivé. Arrivé. Le palabra de Michel est tel le. Aïe. On est que nous ja. Aïe. On est que nous ja bravo. On a pas le gagner. Arrivé. Aïe, quel Ija. On a flippa. So very sorry, I say Flippy, rules of the game. Round 1, if you please, round 2, What around 2? We should do what you want for. Come away.
Get lotion. Oh, I get to go now. So, look where I am. Look where when I got your boost, I already are looking for a bravo over show. Round two. We are going now to round two. Ready for round two. Ready for round two. Can I hear ready for round two? What about I wear? Braga Shita Page, people like Lumrella Eagle, and the Shahu. Iron. Round two. You flip the bottle, you eat. Round two. Archiction Veteran. Or maybe Hatia. Reward easy. Yellow Kishalili, where are no one that. Arabo, Ashilo. Round two. Iron. We are now going to round two. Let's go. Flip the bottle. Who's the first one? How much over? Aluta. We need to Chama Babit. Iron. I don't know what to tell you. We need to Chama Babit. Babi Babuja. Iron. Baba different. Then we are to the final round. And one winner will tell Tamaga something. Something. Aluta. Go. Ali. We're to the final round. One round is the Russian. One round with transport was up. Unad, Kel, the General Mphahlele, Maremo Mphahlele, what did you say? We are going to the final round. We are going to the final round. We are going to the final round. So now we are going to the final. What I see is a final round. You know what I feel. Now when I go away, jump now. We are ready to change and we are going to change. I know what feel. Yeah, final round. We know one. One at home, one Flipeat. Why jadi hotel lu mochi then remove the price. Remove the price I rola abibeji uchu something if you go to another ilo or grandpa for tomorrow if you show up with your show. Alright. So now, return your coin, return to coin. I don't know what you want to we are going to flip a coin. Head or getting this is the final round. Assure. This is the final round of Can You Flip It? Hosted by yours truly, Denzel, all the way from AL Media House. 2000 Urukata 2000. Camera ya bora show. Urukata utakona mangani? John urukata 2000. Utakata over to Joy. So, tutafanya kwa wewe ndangona. Nambule wafli. Nambule wawina. Mtamaho. Ashi ara. Ewe kalenda moya. Uwinde ujadjoje remove la price la ratamba ujile usha uhoje urlo khataya ya 2000 urlo khataya arbono wala iko wala kukai so jika kwa opposite la 2000 uweji uwinde bra so what for my end if he manage Flipa bottle ngati unya jaga yelemelela uwinde ujadjoje la mugawaja lithukwizwa walinyaka kamuka akana hlapa madoka jolo kukuthi that's all if you know what you are we can strategy one time so when you do this is the final round all you have to do is make sure what the bottle stands still. This is the final round. We're going to do it. Let's go. I love floor. So from the Yola Yakashi, you know, that's it, I got no clue. Let's go. Now the winner of the first champion of Can You Flip It? Cian is the winner of the first episode of Can You Flip It? I feel that you can tell me that we're going to follow China and I are going to do it. That's a plan. If I would have Steve Katie, Steve Katie Savannah, I'm going to follow China and I wear it. I'm a sharp and I'm for something Peter and Senior. So
we have our first winner of our episode of Can You Flip It? So this is the voucher for the pizza, and this is the certificate with the chicken task. Are we with that? Are we? So how was it? How do you feel being the first ever winner of the first ever episode of Can You Flip It? You feel like you're umbraga?
I feel grateful, my man.
Sure.
And then get have a lot of getting
Yeah.
win and the Josana,
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, I enjoyed the game. Man.
Sure. No rala braga. Next time.
All right.
Ragao fair. Sharp.